Hey guys, what's up? So I'm down in San Luis Obispo for a family reunion, and so I'm just kind of bringing you along for the ride, I guess. I'm staying in this weird, like, castle house for my dad's birthday as well. As you can see, it says, like, the king's quarters. So this room I'm in is actually my brother's room and his wife's future room, but they're not here yet, so I'm staying in there. The furniture is kind of creepy. It definitely brought me back to that movie, The Haunting, where like the furniture kind of comes alive, or like the furniture made with children built in, like starts talking and stuff. So sleeping, I was for sure gonna get haunted, but at least the view is nice. I'll give you a house tour later, and I'll show you my real room, which is kind of funny. But yeah, I'll show you the view. I'll probably go out for a run at some point. So here's a little separate entrance, but it's nice to get away from the heat. Let's see. So this is my view. I'll show you the rest of the house later. So the downside is I have no gym. So I'll have to figure out, I'll probably do some core work, some body weight workouts, and then go for a run and kind of do some exploring that way. I'm cooking for 17 people tonight. In an unfamiliar kitchen with limited cookware, so that'll be fun. But hopefully it will go well, and I get to see my brother today, so I'm pretty stoked about that. That's probably the highlight. So yeah, I will see you in a bit. Alright, so I'm gonna give you some exercises to do at home if you don't have gym access or you're on vacation. So step 1, take off your shirt. Makes you 10 times stronger and more able to do anything. Just kidding, not required. Yeah, so since I don't have access to a gym, I'm probably just gonna do a few rounds of push-ups, crunches, and squats in a circuit. So it'll look kind of like this. Push-ups. You can do them on your knees, which I don't do much. You can do clapping push-ups. Crunches. And squats. And repeat. I feel out of shape. Alright, so now that everyone's kind of gone for it now for a little bit, I'm on my own. I'm going to give you a bit of a house tour slash castle tour. So I already showed you, this is the bedroom that my brother and Maria, his wife, are going to be staying in. But I'll show you my room and all that sorts of good stuff. So I'm just going to flip you around. Alright, so coming out of this room down here, that is kind of like buried, or kind of down low. And this is the living room. I'll show you this kind of crazy room that is up here. And this is where my aunt is sleeping. My aunt and her husband. I feel weird going into someone else's room, but we're gonna do this. Alright, so this room is quite crazy and a bit echoey. The ceiling is literally like the sky. Very spacey, kind of calming. Look at the painting on the walls here. You are in Paris, as you can see. So this is like a Paris-themed room. It's pretty cool. Very different, not really my style, but got a nice little jacuzzi tub here. It's like an open kind of bathroom dealio, which I kind of dig. I like open spaces more so than like closed off. So I like this room. If I had a choice, I would probably sleep in here. It's not as creepy as the room that I stayed in last night. That one was a little creepy. All right, so that's the Paris room. So now I will show you the rest of this castle. Here is the front entrance, as you can see, and we got some more like sky ceiling going on up here. This is the view out the front door. There's some random dude kind of hanging out there waiting for the owner. Oh, I'll show you here's the dining room where I will be cooking dinner tonight for 17. So that should be fun. We'll all be dining along here somewhere, or over here. This is the kitchen. So you've got pretty average, you know, nothing too fancy. It's not as equipped as I would like it. Pots and pans are limited. If you watch the Food Network, you will notice that these are the Pioneer Women cookware. So a little bit of classiness mixed in with the castle. I will show you the other bedroom over here. This is where my parents are sleeping. And again, you know, not really my style. It's definitely a different theme in every room. But it's still less creepy than the room that I stayed in last night. However, I will show you what room is mine. And I will tell you, I'll show you the downstairs. So this will be my bathroom. Quite small, as you can see. So this is the one I will be using. And as you can see, this is a bookshelf. Or so you thought. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm just a house slave, so I get to sleep up in this creepy attic space. Ow. Don't let the door hit your ass on the way out, like that just happened. So this is where they store the Christmas ornaments, and people they don't like very much, so that's me. Oh, I will show you how narrow this space is. So this staircase is quite narrow. Definitely can't be too big, and if you are drunk going down these stairs, you might end up in a pretty horrible situation. So don't drink and go to your room. So this is where I'm staying. This is the kitty room apparently, or the house slave room. Apparently they probably had 4, and that's where I get to stay. At least it has some windows. Yeah, nice view. I don't think this room has a theme besides, well, here's 4 beds and a foosball table. So I guess I'll just be, you know, playing foosball by myself sitting in one of weird 3 couches and looking out the window of nothing. So that's basically gonna wrap up this house tour. I'm hoping that my brother comes soon and y'all can meet him, and then of course I gotta get cooking. I'm gonna try not to eat shit going down these stairs. Alright. Hopefully I can get the fuck out of here. Alright. Oh. Don't forget the light. So, yeah, I live in the bookcase. You know, that's about it. It's a very strange house. It's not really my style, but it's fun to have a short vacation in, I guess. And whoever actually owns this has a lot of money. Alright, so that concludes the house tour. I will see you in a bit. Alright, so it is about 4 o'clock, and I've been told that people are going to be arriving for wine and dinner at about 5. So, since I'm cooking for 17 people, I should probably get started. So, the menu is simple, very simple, because I just don't have the energy to be fancy in an unfamiliar kitchen. So it's just gonna be roasted chicken thighs, mashed potatoes, and roasted Brussels sprouts. And I'm probably gonna do pesto with the chicken. I wanna get started on this huge ass meal.
Everybody grab a glass.
Grab some ass.
Thank you all for coming. It is kind of fun. This is the pre-birthday dinner, so we can all get to have fun together and know what it's like to have a family around at a time like this. I will be an absolute genuine antique in 2 days when I turn 75.
No, you're
But until that time, I'm
like
just
vintage?
an old tarnished guy.
Are you vintage yet, or are you antique?
Vintage or antique yet?
Stop
vintage or antique?
Well, I'm a genuine vintage antique.
Vintage antique. That makes sense. There you go. Here. Here.
Cheers.
Cheers.
To the birthday boys.
Now everybody grab a seat.
And Martin will be 27.
Congratulations.
Okay.
Congratulations, what do you mean? It's miraculous. 27?
Looks good.
It's lovely.
You switch? You got my plate?
See one go out, another goes on.
Their water's moving all the time.
Then you crack.
like, I don't know.
Alright, so I forgot to end the vlog last night. I think everyone had lots of wine. And it was fun times. So I'm gonna end this vlog. I've got, you know, my oats, gonna do some work, and I'm gonna start the next vlog, which hopefully that is a little bit more entertaining. We'll find out. Anyways, thanks so much guys for watching. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to. I mean, it's up to you. And peace out. I'll see you next time.